Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. A spicy and tasty fish curry is what we look forward to for our special lunch meals. I've shared an authentic South Indian fish curry with spicy coconut masala. I've also shared my special egg scrambled recipe with a unique coconut masala which tastes super delicious, especially with my fish curry. This is my favorite way of preparing scrambled eggs and a must-try recipe. To prepare a complete lunch menu, you can see my video on how to prepare soft and fluffy steamed rice using open pot method. I've shared the link in the description box below. No lunch meals is complete without a hot rasam. And wait, a fish meals is not complete without a crispy fish roast also, right? All the links are shared in the description box below. Coming to the fish curry recipe, I've taken 500 grams of kingfish. You can use any firm fish for this curry. Take a small lemon-sized tamarind. Soak in hot water for 10 minutes. To prepare coconut masala, in a mixer jar, add few coconut slices, 2 red chilies, and half teaspoon whole peppercorns. Grind coarse without adding any water. Then add few chopped small onions, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 garlic as well. Grind coarse without any water. Now add required water and grind to a smooth paste. Now take a cooking vessel and add the prepared coconut masala. Add additional water as required. I'm adding 4 teaspoon Kulambu podi. You can use any curry powder of your choice. Also add the tamarind extract and add required salt. Now use your hands and mix well without any lumps. Add few fresh curry leaves and give a good mix. Now allow to boil well for a good 5 minutes. Then cook and simmer for 10 minutes. The curry is now thickened well. Now allow to boil again and gently add the fish. Mix gently. Now cook partially covered and simmer for 10 minutes. In a cooking pan, add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Coconut oil gives an authentic flavor to this fish curry. Once oil turns hot, add half teaspoon each mustard seeds and urad dal and allow to splutter. Add 1 red chili and few curry leaves. I'm adding 1/3 teaspoon roasted and powdered fenugreek seed powder. Using powdered fenugreek seeds will give an instant aroma to this curry. If you don't have the powder handy, you can also use just the fenugreek seeds. Add few sliced small onions. Saute until onions turn translucent. After 10 minutes of simmering, the fish curry is cooked well. The curry has thickened well and the fish is also firm and cooked well. Now add the prepared tempering. Mix gently without breaking the pieces of fish. Now cook partially covered and simmer for another 5 minutes. To prepare scrambled eggs, add few coconut slices in a mixer jar. Add 1 red chili, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind them coarse without adding any water. In a cooking pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add half teaspoon each mustard seeds and urad dal. Add 1 red chili. Add few curry leaves and few sliced small onions. Saute until onions turn translucent. Now add the prepared coconut masala. Add required salt and saute well in medium flame until the masala is well roasted. Now add required amount of eggs And don't forget to add required salt for eggs. Scramble and mix well in medium flame. Scramble well until there's no moisture left. And your spicy scrambled eggs is now ready. The fish curry is also now ready and is ready to be enjoyed with your spicy fish roast. Give these recipes a try and leave your feedbacks and comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.